you think? Where are we headed?
What?
Where are we headed?
To C10. C10, yeah. C10.
You good?
I didn't get to taste it. It like shocked my lip.
Oh, here, try it.
I see 2 and 3. Good. C2. 4, 14. Keep on going.
I get to say goodbye to the Maryland stuff.
Wait, you said you would give me a Maryland town.
Oh, you gotta wait till 3.
Holds our suitcases.
What are you
Eva!
looking at?
The thing that shows holds our suitcases.
3, jump.
And the big ladders and the 3 boxes. Eva! And the 2 cars. And that weird thing and that weird thing. Yeah, is that thing? See that thing?
Mm-hmm.
That thing?
The cargo boxes?
No, not those not that one back. It's like a cone. That thing. Get over here. You see
I don't know.
that? Right there?
I do see
That thing? The triangle? Not the boxes?
3.
That? What is that thing?
don't
That?
I don't know what that is.
Wait.
That?
Someone with these fingers. While you put your fingers. Oh.
Not
We'll have to look it up and find out.
Uh-oh, I got a boo-boo. So guys, we're going to Mexico, so we're leaving Maryland. We're in the airplane, thing. The
Airport.
Airport. And we're waiting for an airplane to come. And if you're wondering who we're visiting in Mexico, it's New Mexico. It's my mom's cousin. And we call her Mimi. Why we go once a year. And we don't see her a lot. That's why we only go once a year. Yeah. And see that thing down there? That thing, that triangle? We went 2 years ago. I think I'm trying to show you something. I'll show you guys. See that? See that thing right there? See that? I see something else. There's nothing. What's that pole thing? And that pole thing? Oh, that is the X on the Y. But see that sewer? See that sewer? What's a sewer? Come over to our lion. See that sewer? Hey guys, look, there's a plane. Hopefully it's ours. No, that's not ours. Nope. Uh-oh. It better not take out without us. It's so cool. Our airplane's already in. Look, I wonder what they're going to do. Well, I'm going to go back over to my mom and tell them.
You see them putting the luggage on?
No. Yes.
In the big fuel truck next to it?
I see the big field truck.
You see the big fuel truck?
Yeah, and I see their luggage. I can't find ours. Maybe ours already went on.
The Mickey Mouse, the Minnie Mouse luggage.
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Or Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Was it red or pink? It was kind of red with polka dots though.
It was red.
The polka dot, white polka dots.
Yeah, Minnie's red.
Okay, here we are. Go ahead.
We're on the plane right now. Then wait to take off.
Eva's got the window seat. Can you show us what's out there?
I'm going to turn you guys around. So that's outside. We got the perfect window. That's what we see. Lots of clouds. We see the wings. Now we didn't want to sit right by the wing. Hiker! Come here. So hi guys. Today we're done on the plane. We're getting ready to take off right now. What are these meant for?
It's starting to get rowdy here. More people are coming in. Put your hands up. Hands up.
What? What is that thing?
It's a little Lysol.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Our flight to Albuquerque is expected to be completely full. If you have a carry-on item that you can stow into the seat in front of you, please place it there. Large items only in the overhead bins. In the overhead bins on this aircraft will accommodate most roller bags with the wheels or handles facing out toward the aisle.
Mommy, this
Please make sure the bin will
blade.
still close before you
I don't
sit
know
down.
what it is, but this blade and we are on the plane. Oh, Mommy, this does go up.
Yeah, and we can put the pillow between you guys maybe or something. We just got it behind her. And if you push the button, you can almost way back a little bit. Okay, so everybody's got their gum?
Look, I put this thing up. Guys, when you're on the plane, you want to make sure you have gum. It helps your ears from popping. Yeah.
Guys, just waiting.
Yeah.
Hey folks, make sure you're taking your seats when you put your bag in the overhead bin. We can't close the front door until everyone has been seated. So, put your
Is it gum in our mouth now?
You can, just it might lose its flavor, so don't suck on it too much. What's happening out there, Eva?
We're moving backwards. Why are we moving backwards?
How's that gum?
Good.
Okay, what side of the mouth do you have to chew it on? Remember? Yeah, you gotta be careful with the...
Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out our safety features. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the blind into the
I'm
buckle.
to it on this side and this side, not this side. Two and two on this
Seatbelt should
side.
be worn tight, low
I
across
think
your
it
hips
says we
and
can
always
still
well seated.
unbuckle.
You're on board a Boeing 737 equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 2 windows over the wings, 2 doors in the back. Each emergency exit is clearly marked with a sign overhead. Lighting on the floor of the aisle lead all the exits.
Please don't trash. Please don't trash. Please don't trash.
What?
You say don't trash.
Don't say that. These guys do this all the time.
Look, I see the next airplane coming in.
Oh yeah?
I don't. I don't. Or it's taking off. Oh, this is not as bad as I thought it would be. Yeah. It's not bad at all.
We're still lining up. We're driving over to the runway.
Just, I do not like it when it goes. Okay, is this the runway?
I can't tell. Can you see? Is there anything straight in front of us? Can you see past the wing?
There's a yellow line.
Well, it might be, yeah, we might be, we're going a little bit faster, so maybe we are on the runway now.
I mean, we are pretty high too. No, we're not on the runway yet. I see the runway. If I put my yeah, we're slowing down, so we're not on the runway yet. If I put it on this side, I don't close my mouth. When you're on this side, you do it on this side. When we stop, that means we're on the runway. See, look.
Oh, okay.
Look, Maya, tune it and then put going to the runway. Okay, Mommy. Now are we on the runway? We're on the runway. No, not yet. Are we on the runway now?
No.
Not yet. After this turn, we are.
Eva's the navigator over there.
I was. Did it? Remember we stopped on that video?
So
Ready?
we're completely stopped now?
Ready, set, 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna go.
Oh, now it's getting loud.
That's not loud at all. Hey girl, hold on to this. That's not loud at all. It's really fast. It's not loud at all. This is only my second time on an airplane. Is it? This is only my second time on an airplane. You're four.
Yeah, I think it's third from over
There's a seat behind you. I can't see it. Guys, look at all those mountains. Those are all mountains. Look at all those mountains. And look how close we are now to the ground. We are not that far off the ground. Last time we were above the clouds. It was insane. Yeah, that was an insane road trip. It wasn't a road trip. It was an airplane. I mean a plane trip. What's a plane trip? We just took. We're still on a plane trip. I can't see anything here. Sit back. Sit back. This is as far as Sit back! Fine, I can't go anymore. I'll make it. Look at all that. Look, there's sand. Even. But there's sand mountains and look, guys, there's a river. Oh, God. That's not boy. Even sit back so I can see. Okay.
Turning again, going up.
Doing up.
Oh, we're turning to the side of the plane.
Oh, let's put this back down for the people that's on the plane next.
There's a bunch of trees.
No, I'm sitting where you're sitting. Me and Hiker are going to switch spots next time, okay? But you're going to stay here.
Well, we'll have Daddy too, so maybe we can sit.
Hiker, who do you want to sit with? Daddy or Mommy? Mommy or Daddy? Mommy or Daddy?
We can decide that in a month.
Daddy pad. We're going to decide that in a month? But we're going to stay out there for 20 days.
Okay, well, we'll decide in 20 days.
It's not a month. People. Is airplane just going to land somewhere? We're at the airport. Yeah. Hey, look, we're landing. Whoa, that was so cool.
Hold on, sit back. You're going to feel the wheels hit the ground.
Ah, God. Oh, God. Ow. 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 Hiker, look, you can see all the stuff behind the wings, underneath. Is that oil? I think so. Oh, God. Maybe it helps it slow it down. Oh, look, they're going
On
down.
behalf of this Phoenix-based flight crew and Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Albuquerque. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated.
Guys, we just landed. Yeah. And for some reason, my knee hurts. So we are going to go downstairs and go and find my Mimi, which is my mommy cousin, if you don't know. Let's go.
Like that floor, buddy?
4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You all settled in?
Yeah. What is this? That doesn't feel good. I'm just gonna put it the same way how I. So guys, we made it to Mimi's house. We
what's in that bag. I got wine in there, Mom. You like that, buddy?
Yes.